Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. Okay, so here I need to analyze the market from this area. Now you can see market broke the level here. So if I need to go with the sellers, I need to see the 5 second. Okay, so I got it. So from this point the market will go down definitely and we will win this trade here. Now you will see the market is getting the rejection, so it will go down and we will definitely win our trade. This is the sure shot confirmation about this trade. So the market will get a rejection again and it will go down because I took my trade in a direction of the trend. Okay, so let's see what happens here. We will win this trade because of our entry point. Now you can see I won my trade, so I can go with the buyers confidently here. So here I have taken my trade in an up direction. Why? Because this is the next level, this is the next expected sellers area, and this candle will work as a sign of continuation, so therefore the next candle is going up. So if I go and check the level here, what I'm seeing here, I'm not seeing a good level, so therefore I took my trade in an up direction and we will win this trade here. Now you can see here from this point to this point I'm seeing a strong buyer entry, but I need to check the level here. Okay, so now I can go with the sellers. Okay, a very fast movement of the sellers, so my entry point is a bit late entry point, but my prediction is only for the bearish candlestick. So I clicked here. Okay, if I got a good entry point, again I will secure myself. Okay, so here now my entry point was this. So now you can see here from this point sellers are entering, and sellers already entered from this point very strongly. Let me show you in a 5 second confirmation. So there is no way that we will lose in this trade. Okay, now you can see this is a 5 second confirmation, so market has to come down and close below our entry points. So let's see what happens here. Okay, it has to go down, so you can see I won my trade here. Okay, so let me analyze another market. Okay, now if I see the past, so I can easily go with the buyers here, because I am seeing here a weakness in the sellers. This is the weakness of the sellers, this is the buyers rejection, so therefore I took my trade with a margin of safety. So the candle will close above our entry point, so let's see what happens here. Okay, it has to go up and it has to close above our entry point, so let's see what happens here with the market. Okay, my entry point is very good entry point, so let's hope for the best. Okay, now you can see we won our trade here. Now after this candlestick I can go with the sellers, but I need to get a very good entry point, so if the candle goes up I will take my trade in a down direction. I'm already late here, but I need to go with the sellers with a good entry point, so let's see what happens here. Okay, so I have taken my trade in a down direction, a very good entry point for me. So now the candle will come down and will close below our entry point. Now you can see I have drawn each and every level here, and the trend is a downtrend, but now the movement of the sellers are getting stronger and stronger, so therefore I took my trade in a down direction. So we will win this trade for sure. Okay, so I won my trade here. You can see here I am predicting each and every candle minute by minute, so because of good analysis we are winning the trades. Okay, so now you can see here I took my trade in an up direction because there was a gap and the next level was this one, so therefore I took my trade with this continuation and I won my trade here. Okay, so I took another trade here. Why I took this trade here? Because you can see here this is the level which I have drawn here, so still there was a gap, and because of this gap and this candle is a strong candle, a sign of continuation type of spinning top, so therefore I took my trade and I won my trade here. You can see here on the left side I'm only seeing this level. This is a small and weak level, so therefore I took my trade and I won my trade here. Okay, so now let me show you here. I took my trade here because of the momentum, because of this candle is a sign of continuation and there was a gap, so I took my trade here, but market gave me this entry point, but again I won my trade here, so therefore I won my trade. So let me show you another trade here. Okay, so I won my trade here also because of the fast movement of the sellers, because of the momentum, because of the downtrend, so because of these points I am getting the good results. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, so here I took a trade in a down direction. Why? If you see here only in this area, now you can see this is a ranging area. So here I took my trade in a down direction because I am seeing a seller's entry, and in this ranging area I am seeing there is a gap, so because of this gap and because of this ranging area and because of the this structure I followed the down trade and I won my trade here. Okay, so here I took my trade in a down direction and luckily I won my trade because of my good entry point and because of proper analysis about this level. So now you can see I won my trade, and then I took another trade in an up direction and you can see there was a gap, so because of this gap I won my trade. Now you can see I took another trade here and there was a gap to the level, so therefore I took my trade and I won my trade, and the market is getting the rejection exactly from that point which we have drawn here. Okay, so let me show you here my last trade. So here I took my trade with a confirmation, and because of the gap, so there was a gap, it made a new low, and this is a sign of continuation, and the trend, overall trend, is a downtrend. Now you can see therefore market went down and I'm not seeing any kind of level here, so these levels will not work here because these are weak levels, so therefore I took my trade and I also won my trade here. So these were a few explanation about the trades and how you can draw your levels. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So stay blessed, you all have a blessed weekend ahead. So bye for now, we will meet again with another good video. So if you have any kind of queries, you can join our Telegram group, so I am here to help you all in the best way. So take care and bye for now.